In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily prevent apps using your iPhone calendar. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to head over to settings, then get into screen time, scroll down until you find content and privacy restrictions. Once you get into it, first off make sure it is enabled, and after that, that's where at that list you can easily find calendars. All we have to do is just get into it. Make sure that it may ask you screen time passcode to get access to that part of the settings. And that's where we can allow or don't allow changes that other applications can do in our calendars. Disallowing changes locks the settings shown below and prevent new apps from using your calendars. Applications that have requested access to your calendars will appear down below here. If you would like to prevent apps from using your calendar, just hit at Don't Allow Changes. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.